Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we create profile screen. And now we create tariff plans profile model, open lib, models, add file, tariff plans profile model.dart, write class, write final, string, title, then we write final, string, description, then we write final, string, icon, write final, string, title, button, write final, color, write color, button, add import material, add constructor, required this, we add title, description, icon, title button and color button, save. Then we add this file to index.dart, export, save. And now we open lib screens, add folder profile, then we add profile screen .dart, add class profile screen, extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, convert status widget to stateful widget, and now we add file avatar info, .dart, add information, then we add tariff plans profile, .dart, add information, then we add tariff plans profile to constraints, open constraints, this information we can download to description in the video. Now we open profile screen, write return, add widget stack, and we add widget profile screen to bottom navigation bar. Add import, then we add children, add widget scaffold, add background color, write colors dot gray, dot width opacity 0.1, add body, add widget align child, add tariff plans profile, add alignment, alignment bottom center, add const, then we add widget container, add decoration, add a box decoration, then we add height, write media query dot of context, add size dot height 0.52, then we add alignment dot top center, then we add child, add widget save area, add widget column children, and we add widget sized box height 50, and now we add avatar info, write 53, then we add information user info, add user info, then we add sized box, write height 10, and we add profile settings. And we add const, hot restart, and now we open emulator and test our work. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.